Do I really want to be doing this right now?
Angle. I have probably made a very stupid mistake. As you can see, I have a 350Z behind me. This used to be my buddy's, and he wasn't quite into drifting as he wanted to be, thought he would. And so I had the opportunity to purchase this vehicle. It's mostly stock. It's on BC coilovers, and it's got a couple suspension arms in the rear. But other than that, it is completely stock. So I bought this car to turn it into a that all my friends and we'll have a great time doing it. So I thought it would make a great seat time car, or a car that that could be shared amongst friends if they wanted to come try drifting. You'd be, you know, these are nice, easy cars to learn on, and if you leave them alone, they're pretty reliable. But you may be wondering why I'm wearing all this. Well, the driver's side window motor is broken, and a new one was not purchased in a timely manner, and so the window was left rolled down, which then allows moisture to get inside, and all the fabric little bits are infected. But since it's a track car, I can rip all that fabric out, put some new seats in it, and disinfect what has to be in there. So today I'll be tearing all of the interior out, what I can, or all the interior out, all the fabric and all that good stuff. Hence the Tyvek suit and respirator. So we'll get right into it, and here I go.
Reverse hollow Charmander. $112. I know what I got. Doesn't this look so fun?
Yeah.
You want to do this instead of me?
No.
It's really fun. I'm having too much fun, Joe. I think I need you to do this.
No, I want you to have all the fun.
Oh, man. I'm trying not to be selfish.
No,
but
I think you need it.
Oh, you think I need it?
Yeah, you need the fun more than I do.
Okay. Well, thank you so much
You're
for
welcome,
being so
Wayne.
generous. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Oh, my knee. Oh. Jesus. Got it.
high roaded.
Not me.
I've not achieved that yet.
Lauren's like, I go to the moon. Mine's got the biggest
Lauren's
turbo,
gonna
the
rev that
biggest
thing
number.
to 9,000 RPMs.
Yeah,
Hey, if we're at 9, we're close enough to 10, so we gotta go to 10.
Right? Fuck it. Who wants stock controls last day?
Oh, it worked!
Fox BPA, dude.
Oh, it is like,
Ugh,
That's a little.
that's wet.
that's bad.
You want some cotton candy?
I'll eat it.
There's a little alignment thing for the seat.
Yeah.
I smacked my knee, like dropped my knee on that so fucking hard.
Ow. That hurts.
It fucking sucked.
Oh, I bet it hurt.
I had to sit there for a while and Peter Griffin just
That hurted.
Do I really want to be doing this right now? What? You laughing at me? I do have one. I can find one.
Oh, I forget you went car.
Race car.
Fuck yeah, buddy. You got a race car now.
Yeah. So.
All right, so I got everything that I can removed. That's moldy, right? So there's our nice pile of junk. A couple more things here, but I'll give the dash a good scrubbing and clean up the floor a little bit more. Shot back everything, tuck some wires and stuff, and that'll be good for teardown. Morning, folks. Went in over the weekend, drove down around some places, and picked up a few things on Marketplace for this thing. Got ourselves an exhaust, well, 2 exhausts, and then a whole door. I needed the motor, or I needed the window motor for this thing, but the guy said I could just, if I unbolted the door, I could just take the whole door. Yeah, I went and picked up an exhaust from that same guy. He was parting out a Z. But then on the way back, as I was scrolling on Marketplace at the gas station, I noticed there was another guy selling a more preferential exhaust. That was like 10 minutes from where I was at, and I told him, hey, I could pick that up right now. So I rudely interrupted his lunch, but drove by, picked that up, and I think we'll try that one first, and then with the other one, I don't know, resell it for what I got it for or something. But yeah, got those to throw on, and then a couple nice little bits for the inside to make it a race car. Oh, I did. Let me go grab that. Oh, it's a little icy. I did get just the bolt-on. Hold this bitch up. Just a simple bolt-on angle kit for it. It'll be definitely an improvement from stock. But you know, the nice thing about the gktech is I can upgrade it as I go, and I don't have to get a whole kit. I can get the control arms and all that after the fact. But I'll start off with the exhaust, throw that in, and we'll see how it sounds. Alright, we got the stock exhaust on with the exception of the high flow cats from Z1. Let's see how it sounds. much more peaceful. Well, I'm not gonna rev it quite yet because it is cold, so I'll let it kind of heat up a little bit, do its thing. Exhaust is done. I think next thing I'll do, I pulled the window motor off of the door I got. Yeah, I think next thing I'll do is put the window motor that I pulled onto that, so that way that can close. And then, oh, I do have the NRG hub adapter for that, so I can, you know, be all cool, get some style points there. Yeah, I think I'll finish up the interior. I should get my seat brackets for the bucket seat tomorrow. They don't need to notice. They don't know it's tomorrow. Yeah, I'll after this I'll finish up the interior stuff, you know, put the bucket seat in, hub adapter, window motor, put the stuff together that wasn't all moldy, and then once I tackle all that, then I'll throw that angle kit on. Yeah, buddy. gktech angle kit is really simple to put on. It's essentially 3 bolts here. Well, 3 bolts here. Then you have your tie rod heim joint thing, and then your rack spacer. Do note that there is 2 different styles, the passenger side and the driver's side. They come in one package, kind of like that, so just be sure to separate those. But yeah, super simple. The rack spacers were a little bit harder to get to, obviously, but I have the driver's side on, and I figured before I got into doing the passenger side, I figured we could see the difference in angle between the two. I didn't get the super lower control arms, or the super lock control arms, just because more money. This is supposed to be a cheap car, so. But that's the driver's side. With that, I roughly did a. This is just an eyeball toe alignment, so it will need some adjusting. But there's the driver's side at full lock. There is the passenger no kit, obviously trailing. I'll switch it over to, or I'll go passenger side lock real quick. And then we can see, here is the driver's side, what would be trailing. And there is the passenger side lead tire. So I'll do a split up here. I'll do a split up here so you can see the difference between the 2 leading tires, stock and with this kit on. But I can already tell it's going to make a huge difference. So there's a quick comparison on what difference this kit makes even without the lower control arms. I'll go ahead and walk you guys through getting the passenger side on, just so you can really understand how simple this kit really is. Pop these off, toss this, pop that off. Yeah. Pull this off, toss this, toss it, pull this off, pull this off, pull this off. Don't forget to pull that off. Loctite this. Yeah, put this on. Put this back on. Place back in here. Get it all over your pants. Place this here and here. Torque to spec. Torque to spec. Attach these. Eyeball your shitty alignment. Angle. So we went out and tested everything I put on the Z at a local open drift, and unfortunately I didn't charge any of my camera batteries. They were all dead, so I didn't get any camera footage of the event. So, but it went amazing. The extra angle from the gktech bolt-on kit helped tremendously. The car felt a million times better than what it was at stock angle. The bucket seat held me in place, made it so I was able to focus on actually driving the car rather than bracing myself at the same time. But overall, the car felt great. I think this will be, I want to keep it like it is. I want to keep the car mostly how it is right now. I don't want to make things too complicated. I want to keep it simple, as reliable as possible, make it so somebody could hop in it and drive it and it doesn't have a big learning curve, and you know, kind of as a good seat time, cheaper alternative to the S13 that I have. Yeah, oh, let me show you a couple of the other things I forgot to record. Let me show you a couple of the other things I forgot to record in the quick preparation for the event. The door cards, the solution for the door cards was I just zip tied that. This is obviously temporary, but you just, you know, pull the cable to open the door, and then I just strung up the switch for the window. That's supposed to be up there. Oh, and then I can't remember if I show this, passenger seats in. It is an electric one, and this car is supposed to have manual seats. So I had to, if I need to adjust it, I have to like hot wire it and jump it. But cleaned up the center console and was able to put that stuff back in there, and yeah, she's a ripper. So that'll about do it for this video. Let me know if there's anything I need to change on the Z, or any tips and tricks to the chassis. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Deuces.